Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix can't sign into Xbox Live. Chapter 1. How to fix can't sign into Xbox Live resetting the application. To start, enter Xbox in the search box, click on App Settings. After that, click on Repair. Wait for this process to finish. After this, click Reset. Confirm the action and wait for this task to complete. Chapter 2. How to fix can't sign into Xbox Live reinstalling the app. To get started, enter Xbox in the search box. Then, click Uninstall to remove the app. Doing so opens the Windows Store. Click on Xbox. Then click on Install and wait for this process to finish. Chapter 3. How to fix can't sign into Xbox Live resetting the store. For this method, in the search box, enter the command WSReset. Click on the command. You will see a console window, and then the Windows Store will open. Chapter 4. How to fix can't sign into Xbox Live repairing store. To start, enter Store in the search box. Click on App Settings on the Microsoft Store. After this, at the bottom, click on Repair. You're going to wait for the store to be repaired. Chapter 5. How to fix can't sign into Xbox Live from PowerShell. To get started, enter PowerShell in the search box. Select Run as Administrator and click Yes to authorize. Then, run the on-screen command to register the Windows Store again. Now, run the on-screen command to disable developer mode. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 6. How to fix can't sign into Xbox Live resetting PC. To start, enter Reset in the search box. Click Reset this PC. Then, click on Reset PC. Define whether or not you keep your files and then select the type of installation to use for this process. Click Next. When it is loaded, you will click on Reset so that the device can proceed with this process. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.